Hey everyone, Jake from Transverse Audio here. Since I usually make tutorials or free plugin videos, let me know in the comments below if you want to see more entertaining videos like this. Don't worry, there are going to be tips and informative stuff in this video as well, so you might learn something new. Oh, and I'm going to challenge another YouTuber at the end of this video, so stick around to find out who it is. And I know what you're thinking. What has to be wrong with someone for them to use 100 Soundgoodizers? Good question. I don't even know if my computer can handle this, but we're going to try it anyway. To load all 100 of these and keep them organized, I thought about using a plugin that comes with FL Studio called Patcher, which lets you create routing configurations and can even be used to make your own plugins. Check out the link in the description below. Seamless made a kick and a snare plugin in Patcher. But anyways, I realized it would take way too long to manually add each Soundgoodizer. So instead, let's try making one long chain of mixer tracks and route them all together. Just so we know what one of these sounds like, here's with it turned off and with it turned on. And I am going to be trying this on my own voice right after I go through everything with the synth, so stick around for that. Alright, let's try adding one at a time and max out the effect rack at 10. Then I'll show you a trick to make the effect chain as big as you want. This is starting to sound pretty cool. Okay. Now that we have 10, let's hear it. Then we'll skip right to 20. This is just ridiculous. But anyways, I'll show you that trick now. To get all of these to work in a chain, you have to route each track to the next one while removing the send to the master track so there aren't two outputs. Then, the last track in the chain is going to go back to the master. And what's really cool is you can clone your mixer tracks by going up to File, then to Save Mixer Track State As, and drag it over to the track you want it to duplicate to. And voila! Now let's hear how 20 sound. Yep, that's just about as bad as it gets. Just kidding, time for 50. Oh man, this is getting out of hand. I mean, the only thing that I can think about using this sound for is some kind of futuristic engine or energy cannon laser beam thing. And unfortunately, you can't select multiple tracks and copy them all. It can only be done one at a time. I'll just route all these together, copy them over, and delete the two instances of Patcher to try and prevent my computer from exploding. Okay, before I show you 100 of them, I just want to point out how long it's going to take for the signal to get through all of these plugins. Just look at the delay between when you see the master volume spike up to when you actually hear it. It's insane. Yeah, I had to wait a while for that one to finish. And just for you, I sped it up to 10 times speed. Okay. Now I'll put my voice through it, but I'm going to have to use my webcam. It's pretty bad. None and 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, enough of that. I couldn't even hear my voice past 50. But hey, I had a lot of fun with this video, and I hope you did too. As I mentioned at the beginning, it's time to challenge someone to do the 100 chain challenge. What better person than the OG FL guru himself, Seamless? I challenge you to make something that actually sounds good, because Soundgoodizers do not. As I said at the beginning, let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and subscribe if you don't want to miss the next one. As always, thanks for watching.